Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO Cronos. Continues to be here in this wave 2 correction. It has dropped to below 12 cents and it's time to get a little bit concerned about CRO if it doesn't start to move up, because it has dropped, well, to my target level, I believe, that I gave you in the previous video here, the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. If it drops below that 10.9 cent level, it is just a bit concerning. Another concern I have at the moment about CRO, even though it has corrected down quite nicely, another concern I do have about CRO is that it is not recovering at the moment at all. So it came down obviously here in an A, B, C correction. We're currently here in this C wave. We've done a wave 1, we've done a wave 2, we've done a wave 3, we've done a wave 4. I believe that is where we made the last video, where we're just in the wave 4, and I told you the expectation would be a move down in a wave 5. And very importantly, we made that lower low compared to the 12th of May. That was here at 16.2 cents. We dropped below that level. That is what we wanted. And we are still in the green target area. This is the area where you would reasonably expect CRO to turn around and to finish off this higher level wave 2. Yeah, why is that needed? Now, let me delete that. Why is that needed? Because the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level is like the last main level on the Fib scale. It is a key area for, well, it has to do with market sentiment as well. It is just a level below which the sentiment really turns into the negative. And it will be much harder for a coin to recover. Now, I also have to tell you that in the last bear market, a lot of coins did go below that 88.7% Fib level, and they did well. So it is not definitely a move or, you know, a reason for major concern that we have to say the coin is definitely going to die or anything. No, far from that. But it just means we need to be more aware of the risks, and we need to be observing the chart very closely, because it could just mean that over the years it will then fail to make a new all-time high or so. It is just something we need to be aware of. And we had a few candidates like XLM, XRP, IOTA that have all had a similar situation, that have failed to make a new all-time high in 2021. And that could just mean if that continues, then it might mean in the next bull run they will not make a new all-time high, and then people will lose interest and so on. And in my opinion, the risk for that increases if a coin drops below the 88.7% Fib level and stays there for a longer period. Now, that is possibly all something for the future, because it is not yet below that 88.7% Fib level. In fact, it has done exactly what I wanted it to do. We had a triangle here, a contracting triangle, and it broke below that wave B low. That wave B low drop was a confirmation that the triangle was broken. That was below 16.4 cents, and as the triangle was broken, as expected, we moved down here very, very strongly. Now, we can count 5 waves now. Yeah, you can see that. This was wave 3. The triangle end was wave 4, and we now possibly finished wave 5. And to establish that further, we are going to go into the lower time frame. The reason I'm a bit concerned is that in the last, well, 24 hours pretty much, a lot of cryptos have shown bullish price action, whereas here there's just a little bit of a bounce. Yeah, nothing major, nothing bullish really that is coming from here. So I'm a bit concerned about that. We could count this as a small impulse, but it is just far too weak really. So I want to see much more of CRO here. Now, we can count this move down as an impulse down. Yeah, absolutely, we can. And we can count it as complete, which leaves us 2 options. Either that was just what we've seen here. So probably that was wave D, E. So this would be something like a wave 1, 2, then a very long wave 3, 4, and a move wave 5 down. That is certainly an option that we have. That means the wave 5 here completed possibly a cycle, and we're now waiting to see, do we see, because this would have ended red wave 5 as well, which means higher level wave 5, which is all part of that overall wave 2 correction. Whoops, no, don't wanna. And that means we could see the correction as complete. Now, you can only talk about a correction being complete when you have completed the requirements for the correction, which we did here. Yeah, we completed the 5-wave move down, and basically the long-term price target was reached, and also the short time frame price target was achieved, and the Elliott wave count can be interpreted in terms of a 5-wave move down, which means after 5 waves, you start something new. Now that could be now an impulsive move up. And if we see an impulsive move up, that is a good indication that the low might be in. Yeah, and this is important because of a few things. First of all, because we have completed a cycle down here possibly, and we've come to the 88.7% fib level, which is an important support level, which is just important in terms of, you know, here you would normally expect a wave 2, an overall wave 2. Yeah, let me go to the daily once more, to finish. So this overall correction to finish in a wave 2, at the latest at the 88.7% fib level. So this was a wave 1, this is a wave 2, yeah, which has again certain sub waves. Now we need to be on high alert because it could be finished. Now I have not a lot of trust in this at the moment, and the reason for that is because what is coming up here is just a small bounce. You're lacking the volume. Yeah, I mean, if I zoom in, we have a bit of volume here, but really price action doesn't really confirm that yet. This could very well be just a corrective move up. It is not steep at all, it is very weak, but we need to be on high alert. It could be over, but I think what could fuel a rally would be a move above the wave 4 high. So this could be a possible entry point for anybody who's looking for a trade setup. Not telling you to do it. If you're trading, you should know what you're doing, but this could be an interesting one, a move above 12.4 cents. That is what I'd be looking out for now, because it would mean we're breaking officially a downtrend. Because you come down, you make lower lows, lower highs, and so on, and this is a significant swing high. And when you move above that, I mean, there is not a lot of resistance really here until that wave B low of 16.5 cents. So it could theoretically mean a move from that high to the wave B low that would, you know, be something like a 35%. And when that happens, you can be more confident that the low is in. For now, I'm very much skeptical, and it all depends on what will happen here at the wave 4 high level. This would be a first indication, together with an impulsive move up, that the low is already in if we break above that level, but it is no guarantee. A move above the wave B low would be another good indication, but really we want to see price action above the beginning of that yellow 5-wave move down, which means it needs to get back and above 18.2 cents. Only then I would be confident in considering that the low is in. But of course, this doesn't mean you can't make money with this. If the move breaks above 12.3, 12.4 cents, that would be, in my opinion, a good trade setup. Again, no financial advice, but certainly something very interesting. Okay, and that is my view about CRO here at the moment. That's how I see the market. Again, no financial advice. If you like the update, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.